Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and I am here with my gel press. I'm going to create a lovely background using our watercolour card. So I'm going to make a start by just applying some of this gorgeous ink, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the flying fig as well. And then we want really tiny speckles going on. And this just gives you a really lovely organic background. Now we're going to grab our lovely watercolour card. Okay, so let's just take that off, and we've got that lovely vibrant colour there. You know that the water activates the watercolour elements. So what that does, it brings the ink to the surface. We leave it on there for a bit and then we dab again. You can see how much more that actually bleaches out. Dry that off. Okay. And then we're going to pop the top of that just over her feet so she's balancing. I think I've got that. There we go. Okay. Now we don't want to go over the pods because the moon is at the back. So very carefully, I'm going to go in between the pods, and that will give you that illusion that the moon is actually behind. By adding this depth of colour around the edge, and again at the top there. I'm not going to do too much down that side because it's quite nice to have the light coming in somewhere. And again, it's all about light and contrast, and this makes the image look more three-dimensional. So build your colour up very, very gradually. So I've got my lovely Posca pencils here, and I'm going to pick a couple of colours and start colouring in. You need to be very careful not to go over the black lines because it will lose its definition then. I'm going to very, very softly and lightly bring in a little bit of that yellow. So there's a little bit of a glow behind her. And again, this all adds to spotlighting her. And we're going to struggle to get colour down the bottom, but this is where these pencils are really good. We need a fine paintbrush, a little bit of water, some of the Posca. Now by adding the water it will stay fluid, so I'm literally just touching the edge. We don't want it to look like a hard white line. I want it to look very delicate, so we'll just do it gradually. Might just do a little on her face. There we go. The way is to just dot really, really closely together. I'm going to use the Posca pen now just to highlight these pods on the one side, working the way around the pattern on the pod so that the black stands out. And then I'm going to follow the stem. We have the wink of Stella. I'm going to use the Twilight, which is a slightly lighter colour than black. I have some stickles. I'm going to just follow the stem, literally just put tiny amounts on the edge there, following where I've highlighted. And again, that little bit of sparkle. This looks like the light is just literally just kissing one side. You can see that lovely little bit of sparkle just on the edge there. And we're literally just going to add a little bit just down the one side of the card. And it just adds a little bit of magic down that one side. And there we go, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed today's demo as much as I have. Really enjoyed that. It takes you through that whole process, and you're faced with a blank white card and how you can actually bring it to life just with a few stamps and a little bit of colour, a little bit of patience, and there we go. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.